This is the Casa Gorordo's house, or the Casa Gorordo Museum. This is the main stairway, carved out of balayong and Tindalu wood. So, manakatas-taas.
So, naatakaroon sunod sa Casa Gorordo Museum. It was built in middle 19th century. It is the home of the first bishop, Juan Gorordo. Now let's go here. This is the master's bedroom. The original occupants of this room were the first Gorordo Patriarch Isidro and his wife Telesfora Garces. And this is their living room. Important visitors were received here in the living room or sala. It is the sparsely furnished to emphasize its spaciousness. This is the ladies' room. Among women, socializing carried on until bedtime. And this is their chapel. Mag-ari sila mag-angkol. Family prayers were said in the chapel in the evenings. Special days, masses attended by the family and acquaintances were also held here. And this is the suitor's corner. The place where young maidens received their suitors was customarily in a well-lit corner. This is the guest room. The guest room features a 4-post bed with a canopy and old aparador or closet. So, we are here now in their library. The collection of books in the library reveal something about the family's influence. Most are written in Spanish, the lingua franca, Filipino, dialectos, until the Second World War. So, kanisa, adin sila magduwa o sungka. This is called sungka. So, mauni siya si Juan Gorordo, the first bishop of Cebu. This is their dining area. Formal dining area. The dining area made of Nara wood. Then, money ilahang kusina. As you can see, mga kanang antiques na kayo. This is a reconstruction of a traditional Cebuano kitchen which was used by the Gorordo household. This is the informal dining area. The family dined at this round table made of solid piece of Nara wood. So, mauni ilahang banyo ng bathroom. Within the house is a luxury only a few families enjoyed in the 1800s and early 1900s. Then, mauni ilahang CR. So, kani siya din have served many purposes. In daytime, it was used for washing, drying, and ironing clothes. The cool breeze in late afternoons and evenings made it an ideal place for relaxation, meriendas, and intimate gatherings for friends and family. So this is the Casa Gorordo.